Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to invest in cryptocurrency, specifically PEPE on eToro, step by step. First, open the eToro app and log into your account. You will get here. Next, tap on the search bar and start typing PEPE. Select it. And now, choose the trade button to start your purchase. Accept and decide how much money you would like to invest. And also you can choose under the order type whether you would like to buy it right now at the current price, or if you choose limit order, it means that you can set a specific price when eToro automatically buys it for you. Finally, click on Buy, and that's basically it. Go to your portfolio to check your investment by tapping on the pie chart. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Always do your research before making any investment decision. Happy trading, and may the bull market be with you.